Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how I wash my makeup brushes. I recently uploaded a very good hack for deep cleaning your makeup sponges and beauty blenders, and I'll link that down below in the description. But today I'm going to show you what I use to wash my makeup brushes. First thing I use is Johnson's Bedtime Moisture Wash. You can use any soap you have or that you like. And I also use these little mats that I got from Amazon. I like it because of the different patterns. I find that different brushes work different with different kinds of patterns depending on the size of the brush, but I like this one because it suctions to your sink and it works pretty well. So this is my setup station. I have a nice dry towel, dirty brushes, and then I have my mats and my soap. This is my dirtiest brush that has been neglected for a while, and I'm going to show you how I clean this one and how I get those dirty spots nice and clean. First, I'm going to wet it with some warm water. Then I applied some of that soap. And I just first scrubbed it a little bit on the mat, and the makeup started to come off, but I could tell right away that it needed way more soap. So I added some more soap, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth with a little bit of water, a little bit of soap, and scrubbing. And when I realize sometimes that the makeup is just not coming off, what I do is I take some soap in my hand and I scrub it gently with my hand. But I'm squeezing and I'm getting makeup out, and there's still a lot of dirty spots. So I'm adding more soap and just scrubbing it in my hand, gently massaging it. You don't want to be too rough, of course. So after all that washing, you can see that we still have some very dirty, deep spots in the brush. And this is when I'm really going to get serious with it and get some more soap and just gently scrub it, and try to use water that's a little bit warmer. But just put my fingers inside the brush and just massage it. You see how all the makeup came off? Because now it's nice and wet, and the makeup is actually moving inside the brush. It's not dry and neglected makeup. It's moving and it's wet, and that really helps. So then I'm going to repeat this process a few times until it looks nice and clean. Okay guys, after a few tries, let's go ahead and rinse it off, and it looks like our brush is finally nice and clean and pink. And that took a while, but this was my dirtiest makeup brush, I promise. So the rest are really easy, but I just next want to show you how I wash some of my eye brushes, because it's a little bit different, but this was my dirtiest brush. So this trick that I just showed you will help you with all of your brushes. Now I'm going to show you some of my dirtiest crease brushes for my eyes. These I'm just going to get nice and wet and add some soap directly onto the brush. And then I'm going to one by one scrub them on the mats, on the different surfaces. And some of them are dirtier than others, of course, depending on what eyeshadow I used. And you just do the same thing that you do with the bigger ones. And obviously it's a lot easier to just take it in your hand and squeeze all that dirty makeup out. And just try to enjoy the process. I like to do this sometimes when I'm doing face mask or doing something for my skincare, and I feel like it's nice and relaxing. I turn on some music and I try to enjoy it. I know it can be annoying, but I try to turn it into a relaxing activity. Now I'm just repeating the process for all of my brushes. I have a lot of dirty eye brushes, and you can see all that yucky makeup coming off. But it's going to be so satisfying when you see the end result. But for now, I'm just repeating with all my brushes, and then I'll show you the end result very soon. Okay guys, here's the end result. All my brushes are nice and clean and laid out on the towel to dry. And I'm so happy with how they turned out. I hope you like this trick and this little video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me so that I know to make more like this. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.